106.3 FM.
Emsana penso mama chama wakwa ba meda se so afidie no da Adom 106.3 FM. Ena kwaya juada ya de beyiwa no e de brew. Na ehwo aseda no mama fama Franco Trading Enterprise. Eno akofa phones ene ho akade nyina. E de abani duduom. Etisa wo pa ba kwa to ana so wo to no duduom. Franco Trading Enterprise and American for the amount. Wasan so at the home appliances. Wow, TV sets. Say Franco TV no be paying. The Bura showroom bia. Na ko hwe Franco TV. Come on. Na wani beje ho. Franco weti ya download the app no. Na afei woni na didwa. Niema wo shop ni mu nyina no. Ubenya no ewo wo phone no so uko Facebook so Franco Trading Enterprise ewo Facebook na mum hwe say Franco Trading Enterprise ni page no and I want more than 100,000 likes enti hwe no so sa emame TCL so at the home appliances and the cry asene open air conditioners open TV sets open fridge and in niam etete some microwave ovens ni nyina no TCL ena ede abadwa so ede somowo mame manu anoma wa makwaji award ede abetie nyina yanim memma wo maba so na ochecha me de tu wanim nyame Adom a November bosome ne de to so 9 na menya afi pe multimedia ha na yede niam egu akwan so nyame Adom a eda no duru ho a yedi bedie nyame aye bi etihane so sa ama me adwuma yedi ensa kan ewo denchira esase for some time now me ma update ye from ha multimedia yegusu ayaya ahomboa na meni esase hene na adekwame otoso miensa mebese mebisa no so far aso watibri bi afi assembly no ho wo mo sesen ahomboa no wo mo frem ho etisen mebese mebisa no sima mienu na fa mi wi a ene niam no doso pa ya mo ni tew na afei yankwa yanim etisa na nesase hene waba homa no so a mene no ebetwetwe enkomo wa mai entibe komanim mi fresanse a tenkon apew na otwetwe mo na senka me koho na company no a wakwakotu bo ho no na womo obaabi a womo kwakodi dwuma entimentimi anya wo bi in fact many assemblyman kasai emo chese yakase womanya site bia wompese womutu bo ho no womanya miensa anti yakwa na fei yakwakohwe miensa no emu mienu ene ebetrusu na fei yetu first ball hole no ewo baako na second ball hole no so atoaso eti nyame Adom a na wotweyam adwuma no ebehase ewo denchira ewo tenkon apew na wotweyam adwuma no ebehase nkrata sama ewo ho ne ade nyina no mempanifo adaroma yahwe aye ni nyina eti na wotweyam Global Waters Ghana Limited wamdo amumfidie batenkon no ma be share adwuma no ase minim so ma hwe manim a bada adwuma so na akwa nti ese atoto niam nyina yie kama enti na watwi ye ba ho na ebo a me share da me kod tenkon me ka kire nana wontumi topra sanana me hwe se nsu a yanom nsu a nipa no mu ayeye kurai bubenya bianom because na mekɔ hu ho no na areho na mekɔ hu ho no na areho entina eno so me de asi ho me be pon a me be sore so a me de number na be sa ma ho na kakra bi a wo no wo de asoyasene na yatumi ama o manfo o motenkon apew wo manya nsupa e de anom me da se enkoman to so miensa wo be kan ya ben busu me kakra atwamu ana me de poultry farmers between 2015-2016 bird flu yin to Ghana ha nanti ekohia yese wamon kokko no ye betore wo nyina ase ye be hye won se na be ya yade no entre na ya promise wo compensation ebi saka wo de ansusu bebrenu a wo sanka wo de adwumadie ya so me ne papa bi a sa compensation ho mpenten kwanti ye kasai moyare da dem etwane nan baako moyare da dem mene ne twetwe nkomo dwumadie ya so nyame ncha de ekuo bia ye fra wo mo excellent Ghana wo mo so adom ho age sansemi mu bi ma entia menya ni se wo ma twerɛ krata tintin a 2-page petition edi akoba so ye mienu ne edi kan Office of the Special Prosecutor NFA Police CID na ni awamu gie Owura Daniel Niado Executive Director Excellent Ghana o ahoma no so mene no etwetwe enkomo Owura de woteminka
yenia mejo so miche etifo so nyina
awode wo ho de
oh nyame adom nkaka
yade nyame ase montro petition bro for kase baby say what exactly are you seeking Rado
yo medase minia wa chese debi ase na mekano no adom fm mo dia mo kana ye nyina ye ti e wo Ghana ha enti since ayete sa mo campaign medase mo campaign ede epese kwa poultry pharmacy in fact asema yende ye hunu se asema se ehu hia keke be ya pa se obedwuma oye ne chese na onu oye na ne ta koda na bibi se sia ni tete amene se yenim se sika no aban every sika nti sika no ye dinkan eni dima se Adom FM interview na yete nti yete na say no nya honorable former minister king no na ohwe sa adwumadie ni so no entasum nti nya yenko media wan ko bisane say honorable madam na we de yete ase enye amanfo ahwere om livelihoods wo bisia ebi na wo kan obi nan yetwa how na wo say wo maybe ni say to me answer. It shouldn't be. And this to me na me busheni answer. Now na se deeper na wo dwene ho. Oh. In some way they are to me kata so. Enti media no well yemma me no omo hweso no yanto monka. Fine. Yenyina ye diga ye tadia na chese ye tot ye theaters ye foka chese ye theaters. Ye sika so no mo tre se omo fam peta ekuafoi. Ene kwafo dodo na no omo nyam pete sike so ye release and again akobaye over 1.4 million cedis. Majority of the poultry farmers is outstanding. Nti kwhwe mu na hu say enyam charge Auditor General's report on published no August 2017. Edma Parliament Public Accounts Committee ni obiano o stating woman clearly into wo o stating woman clearly page 549 ni 548 say sika we are outstanding no omonti asento ma ka kire Ministry of Food and Agriculture, the veterinary department in Penifone say they should make sure those monies are paid. And yes, sir, Nesun transfer no and yema or mangana no more listings so let's say se aban nipa Mr. Dumlevo ono signing sa document ono so kra ye nhwehwem se ya to ha and yet the next step is okay special prosecutor or act na special prosecutor act of 2017 na o kra no we o to me hwehwem say for na was so much so no more dispense omo cheche cash no omo abuse them office no in any manner na into ye did say act na no say it clothes the special prosecutor with authority na nya onope CID criminal investigation department where Ghana Police Service almost would to me na parliament corruption a kind of offense no or mashimudin although it is yet to be signed now more but at least no we move ahead on mashimudin and yes almost we are petition and we are petitioning the two bodies so within the meaning of government literature Portocasim and now emra nipadudro sikasem Public Finance Act management in Sanyo Menino any Criminal Offences Act Special Prosecutors Act of 2017-999 so why am fast with chess ke ne kwan so ana ombetumi ahye boss procedures kra ana plan kra mo fire the chess kanu sa plan no eboa Ghana na so omone ye no ama Ghana boka bia na Ghana enya enungwase Ghana ahwere bibia na se anetia kwanya wo ho se ebetumi abo obi nom sobo se na ebeya ebeye like
ebeye nsem na ho ede ama afoforo
nyamisha enti yasema yeda akoda special prosecutor and into who the new crusading guy when so almost the among Kanya asema them the among front page who observer front page and na no cry Adom FM the excellent Ghana you best support him because Juma Mudino oh no wonder Mubedia more than 125
yeah let me say now amongst the point I'm raising a petition him there's an issue I'm going to say no so mo peke no information I'm peke no dwumadi ya so the issue of CASA one mo say media budget review allocation sika allocate ya no ye de bia koto CAS and also enchemu be na mo pe ho orado
yo me da say yes na we are sharp and also what petition say answer na ban be traffic kra no aban to cast or motorbike app laboratory na and no young fan say was for especially to fight bird flu between 2016 and 2018 na ban say na just empenifo no modano no based on anuyena yema me hanabisi the public knowledge or canon media so on around the 8 September 2020 where and BBI no say the administrative expenses bisano na almost administrative expenses no cash you almost to and say Mr. Mo administrative expenses no because and nya afi na Ghana higher Ministry of Food and Agriculture Veterinary Department internet sabio mo computer ni mo one of two things mo plan but the administrative mo live video na mo treat ya de bia enti say bed secretariat no ya talk as na ma mo nyina mo san ko talk as bi ma ye bisa excellent Ghana tie say ye bisa ye pen kunbu ye boa o man no ye pepepe yo yes nyakakra na ye bibi na boa man tie ye bisa and na cast some motor crana near by the mom crano as say mo fan fight bird flu say mo to bi o man to bi o near by the mom cast and cry one special prosecutor mo dey so man yo modwuma mo ko abani assistant but entwaso special prosecutor wadaroma police CID madaroma mo to me ko bisa ministry hono say cast na ya to say the fight bird flu Potokasemo, what is their condition? Egususi road, Egusu Yejuma laboratory. So obi to be can one and administrative expenses are your former Honorable Minister Dr. Amina Bisu Ebeka say discount and nontino majority of the farmers and majority of the farmers among such and compensation almost for simply because of this. Now, Auditor General's report or the bar out now, it was clear, say it was worrying. Now, Auditor General now, or another report, I also cited what petition say 2016, in fact 2017, or report on ministries obia a car or the one capture poultry farmers as because metinase me to me dream man but me dream kitwa tell me say ono within kind report 2016 I can't tell me say ska we no ye de mam say mo fan koma no agwe mo fan koma nkofo no anya say say na nkofo no be ye na wo hwe daily graphic and also ye de ma special prosecutor farmers no reporting right in 2016 daily graphic another authentic he say and I say no obia farm onya bed flu on kanchi obia on bon wa obetum wa no na aba market na menyewo yakoto
akotare na yenya yare no because say o kanu kre o mambata na ye be kun ni mbo akra na o ni ehun patesika no je onya yemfa ma no
na o hwe 2016 a betin 2020 aden and also into yes, I think those reports say yes. Until show winning and we are ready to move it very far.
Okay, but around money poultry farmers so no enyankita ho sa petition we ho. Ma engage you mo kwan bia so.
Poultry farmers not as an association but individually there. Any individuals akasa lamentation there. They don't know, they are frustrated because Kota or Monkasa on their initiative of Makobi, they have done what reasonably and foreseeably they should do.
Aside court no krano, one more side propose out of court settlement and also so Ankosiaga Bibia and Primwama.
Nimtia and say so Ghana.
Special prosecutor, we acknowledge receipt of your petition.
Me for you. Police administration is yet to acknowledge receipt.
Okay. I dey am the timelines bi to ho se bia na watwe me no bosome ana bibisa ana bibiasa ne ho.
Oh, bibiasa ne ho. Wo say omodwumadi no special.
Yes.
We said the office mo although my state institutions need to make more instructions because you can hear you and within reasonable Ghana has we know what time will be reasonably okay for them to come out with some preliminary report until show winning but me this so ma could do about 4 minutes.
Niado, you have my support on this one.
Yes.
You have my fullest support because
and you also have our full support in terms of all that it will take to bring justice to these innocent-minded Ghanaians who, under the directive principles of state policy, undertook to say omobeye bibi na omusako mano enye mfomso na omo yeso atoriam just a natural occurrence na aban eyiska say yemfa mama obi media administrative expense into enduni so 4 years on ono so yenimba adomefam yedamwase nyame hiramu
mame no asene fancy ya oranda ne Niado executive director excellent Ghana. It is one say Juma no ye sha se nkakran Juma die so no. Ane kuoi wo masom a petition addressed to the office of the special prosecutor, one, NFA Criminal Investigations Department, Ghana Police Service. So what must you show? Because I'm quite saying no chinabi mano da bola so ya de bi unity emo ya de bi unity menche ko ba so we say yakum mbo an nyina amanfo ma meka wo mo nka because me ba be kan e be shire mbo nyina say do compensation a ya me kwana bra it is also mo ya ni dia kire the special prosecutor utia Wadama we dia enyen tam ihwehwemu no enyen tam because adwuma no ne kase pa auditor general waye the report waba etin semfu a excellent Ghana for mu bi say hwehwem na Ghana Police Service for so wɔn so suffer na wɔn so nya hwehwɛmu na ba bia sika no afa bia no yɛmfa poultry farmers na de yɛmfa ma wɔn binum adwuma gu bisi e bi kɔ boy e de kɔ be de be share farms nim ene wɔn tifie tibi hwɛ wɔn ma yegyina ha na Ghana ntimi yegyina ha kakra bi a ye betumi aye bia no ena ye yi beyiwa no frame na entwetwe nkomo social media so follow me on social media oko Facebook Jerry Forson on Facebook, Instagram I am CJ Forson on Instagram, Twitter I am CJ Forson on Twitter. Follow me. Na frame me 0206 943337. 0206 943337. Na mami fa phone number no entuja. Yeguso ajemwa. Wadama. Se beso ya sene na insusam a ye de asi anu so yi. Yentimi mwa. Number no 0556 748029 0556 748029. Yama de share no insupa na womonnom. Mami fa Sidanema Franco Trading Enterprise na fe TC o Mada Roman. Eno omukura masene ma me de beyiwa no me de bra. Nyame adoma okuada.